To turn on reading mode on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you'll have to go down and find the display and the brightness settings, so let's go in there, and from here you'll have to scroll down and there's the reading mode options, so let's go in there, and here's the switch to toggle on and off the reading mode, so that's how you can enable the reading mode. And also you can turn on the reading mode by going into the quick settings, and right here you'll have to edit this quick settings and you have to add yourself this button for the reading mode. It's available right here. This is this icon for the reading mode, and as you add this one, now you can toggle the reading mode with this button in this quick settings. But here we also have some couple of additional settings for our reading mode to customize it. So right here we have two modes, the cycle mode, which will achieve optimal comfort by adjusting colors automatically based on app types and sunrise sunset times, and the classic one, which will simply which you can adjust yourself, and all of these values will stay the same. It will not adjust anything automatically. So as you select the classic one, you can go for more options right here, and you can change the strength of the color temperature for the reading mode. Additionally, there is the texture. You can adjust this value and it gives a paper-like texture on the screen. And here there are also colors. You can toggle full colors, light colors, and black and white. So yeah, just like for the reading mode. And also there is the button to restore default values. And as you go back for more settings right here, there's additionally the schedule, so you can schedule the time to turn reading mode on and off. And yeah, right here you can set this good night's read and custom period to turn on and off by yourself. And that's pretty much it. That's all that you have to know about the reading mode and how to turn it on.